Hey guys, back here with Ask Fritz, or maybe Ask a Graybeard. I've been asked how to rebuild a panhead for panhead motor, and we're going to go through the whole rebuilding process for panheads. But to start with, I was asked, can you rebuild the rockers? Well, you can to an extreme. You can do the rocker block, but if the rocker shaft is bad, you're going to have to get a new one. Well, I'm going to show you a few things on the rocker blocks right now, so that maybe you can do it. You might need a specialized hone, or if you know somebody that has one, you can have them help you out with it. So let's take a look here at the panhead. We've got our rockers right here. Okay, these blocks can actually be rebuilt. If the shaft is scarred and ruined, we'll pull this one apart here and have a look. I've got them all loosened up so that we can look at them real quickly here, but open that up. See, these get scarred on the inside here. This can all be rebuilt. I'm going to show you how to do that. If the shafts are scarred up, which this one is not too bad, you may be able to use this one over again, but there's not much you can do about this other than to replace the rocker. I just happen to have a rocker that broke off, so I cut the end off and I used it as a tool. I'm going to show you how to do this and how to make that tool out of a piece of steel. But right now, we're going to go clean this up, and I'm going to show you how to rebuild the block just like new. And all you'll have to do is put that rocker back in it or a new rocker. But we can actually rebuild the block. Alrighty? Okay, we're back now. I've cleaned up the rocker block, and the shaft I think is going to be usable. We'll be able to use this shaft because it's not scarred up too bad, but they're not that expensive. You can get these for about 60 bucks and replace these. You got a total of 4 of them, so do the math. But the block, they are expensive and to replace, but I'm going to show you how we can repair these and make them just like new. I've taken them apart, I've cleaned them out, and I removed the pins from the top. This is the top cover. I take these pins out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this surface down on both of these. We're going to grind that down so that it closes the hole smaller. Okay, and then we'll re-hone the hole and you'll have like a brand new lifter block. Let's go and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, we're over here at our sanding disc, and what I'll do is I'll just measure the thickness of each one here, and I got 741 on this. This one here, we've got 355. So what I'll do is I'm going to surface these down just enough to close that hole up. Now remember, I've removed the pins from the top, and the reason we want to do this is because your oil that comes up in here through these passages, if the shaft is loose in here, if this shaft is loose, your oil will just squirt right out the end of there, and you're going to lose a lot of oil pressure, and the panheads don't have much oil pressure to give away. So we just fire up the sander here. So you see what I'm doing there is I'm just sanding this surface down, and I'm going to do that to both of these pieces, and it'll make this hole smaller, and then we're able to hone that out, and we'll get to that. All right, once we finish this up, we'll show you how to hone. All right, what we've done Now I've ground these down to where I've ended up taking off I've taken about 3/1000 off of each surface. Total is 6/1000. So when I'm going to bolt these together now, back the way they go. Alright, I'll have to stick the pins back in and some bolts. Now this hole is 6/1000 smaller, so we can hone that out for our shaft. Alrighty? Alright, I've put the pins back in the top. You have to have these alignment pins in there. And I can't stress it enough, if you have two pieces, try not to mix these up. If you mix them up with say another block, these are already precision bored and your hole is going to be so far off that it's just not going to line up. So make sure you try not to mix the bottom block with top block on the others. Keep them together. They only go on one way. You've got an oil hole just here, and that oil goes up through this passage on the top. So we're going to bolt this together now. I'm just going to use I'm using an Allen bolt and nut. I'm going to put 4 of these in, and we'll bolt this thing together with these bolts and then take it over to the hone. Okay, we're over at the hone now. I've bolted the block together. I've tried it with 2 bolts and it just doesn't squeeze it down the way it is when you mount it on the head. So use 4 bolts, tighten them down really tight, and then your hole is perfect. Now we made this 6/1000 smaller by grinding the 2 surfaces. I use this tool. I told you I broke a rocker shaft, so I just sawed the end off, and this is my tool I'm going to use to hone for the size. It won't fit in there now because the hole is 6/1000 smaller. You can make this tool just out of a regular piece of steel on your lathe. I think it's 175 thousandths, but measure your shaft and make sure that your tool is correct for the shaft that you're going to put in. Alrighty, and then you can do all 4 of them with the same tool. So we just put this on the hone here, and we'll give it a run on the hone and fire it up. A little bit of oil going on there, and we'll just hone this hole out until we get our tool to just fit in. Alright, you can see we've honed out that hole now on the hone, and sized it to our tool. My tool, it just slides in there, almost a 0 fit, but it's loose and you've got a perfect hole. There's no side play, no up and down play, and that'll keep your oil from leaking out of the block and losing your oil pressure on your motor. It'll also make it last a lot longer. And now that block is just like brand new with that new honed hole in there. So I hope that works out for you. Now you know how to rebuild a lifter block for a panhead. Hope you can do the same and do all 4 of them on your panhead. Hopefully your rockers are in good shape and you can make that tool and make it work. So ask a Graybeard or just ask Fritz. Alrighty, see you later.